There are a lot of things you can add to your template. I will now walk through all of the functions. First, you have text. You can place a text box into your template which can function as a title or description, for example. This button is for adding images to your template. To add videos, you can click this button. You can also add shapes like rectangles and circles using this button. With this button, you can add websites to your template. Using this button, you can add a ticker tape to your template. A ticker tape can be used to display the news, for example. The calendar button can be used to add the time and date to your template. The YouTube button allows you to add YouTube videos to your template by using the URL of the video. The Vimeo button lets you add videos from Vimeo to your template by using the URL or Vimeo code. Using this button, you can add audio files to your template using audio files from your computer or using the stream URL. The nu.nl button allows you to add a trending video from nu.nl, a Dutch news page, to your template. With this button, you can add images from your computer in a slideshow, which you can add to your template. You can also add a QR code to your template using this button or using the URL of a website. With this button, you can add tables to your template. And with this button, you can add Power BI to your template. With this button, you can add a previously made PowerPoint to your template as a slideshow or video. You can also choose to add a master page. This is optional. Your template is built up out of layers. All the things you add are your layers. Here you can choose the order of the added images, text, shapes, and other things you've added. The higher on the list, the more on the foreground your element is. In our program, there are a few hotkeys. First, we have Control. If you hold down the Control button, you can select multiple elements at the same time. This can be easy to copy multiple elements at once. With holding down Shift, you can preserve the aspect ratio while scaling an image element.